Dylan with Beamer Tech. How many times have you said to yourself, man, I wish I can get that upgrade for my BMW, but I don't know if I have the knowledge or tools to do it? Well, the knowledge could have always been found on our YouTube channel with the countless amount of videos that we have, but now you have the tools available to do it as well. We offer a lot of products and they're all designed to be plug and play and easy to install by yourself with the right tools and knowledge. Today we're going to be focusing on these top products and how our DIY Essentials Kit and our Trim Toolkit can assist with the installations. Now these are just going to be basic overviews on how to install these products. If you want to see a step-by-step video on how to install these products in your car, check out our YouTube channel for more. In addition to our DIY Essentials Kit and our Trim Toolkit, you might find things laying around your house helpful with the installations too, such as, well, a flashlight for extra illumination, a towel to help keep your trim safe when you're doing things like removing head units, and things like a kneeling pad to help take away the physical agony on some of these installs.
Each following section of this video will show an estimated time on how long it will take you to install these products. Keep in mind this will vary depending on which vehicle you have, and in certain cases, like speakers, which kit you get. It is important to note that installing this kit yourself and taking it to a dealer may result in different times as well.
This is our wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime. It is our flagship product here at Beamer Tech. It allows you to seamlessly integrate your phone with your BMW, giving you access to your favorite apps such as music, navigation, and more right on your iDrive display. But you can do so much more with it, such as connect cameras and more. Now, if you want to learn more about this MMI Prime, click the link in the description.
To install one of these, you'll want to disconnect your battery, which is a 10mm socket, and maybe some trim tools. Since the MMI Prime ties into your head unit, you'll have to remove some trim. The pick tools and trim tools make this easy. When it comes to unscrewing things, you'll find a lot of T20 or Phillips screws, which the bits in our kit will make easy work of. You might run into a few connectors where our pick tool will really help. The difficulty will depend on your head unit. For example, CIC head units require a few extra steps. Check out the exemplary wireless CarPlay and Android Auto installation video in the description below.
We offer a number of backup camera kits, some OEM, some with extra multimedia capabilities. However, they do all offer that same factory look and feel. If you want to learn more about all the kits that we offer, click the link in the description. However, they all do have one major thing in common. You can see behind you.
Installing the module of these kits is similar or even identical to that of installing our wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime, and you'll need the same tools. For the actual camera installation, a trim tool will be your best friend. You will need to remove a good amount of interior trim to run the harness for the camera, but it's very straightforward and easy with the right tools. If you get both the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime and backup camera, you save money and get to unlock the full capabilities of both systems. We, of course, have full installation videos for you to follow. Check the description.
Your iDrive screen is vital for your BMW's entertainment, navigation, and so much more. So why not go bigger? Our panoramic screen is perfect for that, packing a sharp 1280 by 480 display, OEM quality, and perfect integration. It is the best way to revive your BMW's interior. And with all that extra space, it's perfect for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay to make use of all that extra room for your maps, messages, and so much more.
Replacing a screen is simple. Once you disconnect the battery and remove some trim pieces, the screen is generally just held in with two T20 screws, and there is one connector in the back. After a remote coding session, your new screen will be good to go. Check out a full installation video in the description.
If you want the best sound in your BMW, look no further than the Alpha One speakers and amp by Beamer Tech. We offer various kits depending on your preferences, but each kit is made specific for your vehicle to mount and install seamlessly, so no cutting is required. While you will be taking off many panels in your car, our DIY Essentials Kit will come to the rescue.
Our amps are very easy to install depending on the location. For the most part, you just have to remove a few panels, unbolt or unscrew a few mounting points, disconnect a few connectors, and reverse the process for the installation of our amp. The speakers can be a bit more intense. More panels, more screws, and if you're installing the subs, you need to unbolt your seats. Our DIY Essentials Kit will make this easy with the tools you need in one place, such as the ratchet and sockets and that T50 bit and plenty of others. Check the description for a full installation video.
If you ever wanted to lock and unlock your doors simply by touching your door handle, our Comfort Access Kit will allow you to do just that with either the front 2 doors or all 4 doors by recognizing the key fob in your pocket.
While there are many panels you need to take off, starting in the footwell areas of the vehicle and the doors and ending in the trunk, it's not as intimidating as it seems. Each door panel is simple to take off. They're only held on with a couple screws and pins. Our Trim Tools and DIY Essentials Kit will help you tackle the T20 screws and trim and pins you encounter. Check the description for a full installation video.
For the ultimate convenience in your BMW, you're going to want to get our Soft Close Retrofit Kit. Gently close your doors and your BMW will pull them shut the rest of the way. While this is one of the most time-consuming installs that we do have, our DIY Essentials Kit will make it smooth.
You'll need to remove all of the door panels. Our screwdriver and bits with Trim Tools will make this cake. After that, you'll find the ratchet and our sockets will tackle removing the door latches. All the rest of the trim, bolts, and screws will cower in fear since you'll be a pro at these tools by this point. Check the description for a full installation video.
While the installation of our products might seem intimidating to some, with the right tools, it's a simple process. Pair our DIY Essentials Kit with our Trim Tool Kit and there's almost nothing you can't handle. To learn more about our products and for more tips and tricks about BMWs, Mini, Supras, and more, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. And hey, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.